students, welcome back to Max Online class. Students, in this video we are going to see new chapter algebra. In lower classes we have learned about variables and constants. Variable means it takes different values which is represented by x, y, z, etc. and constant has numerical values such as the numbers 1, 2, 3 like that, etc. Okay. Terms and coefficients. Combine variable and constants using the numerical operations addition and subtraction to construct algebraic expressions. See this example 6x plus 1. Here in this expression two terms are there. One is 6x, another one is 1. Then the term 6x is variable and 1 is a constant term. Okay. Students, an expression with one term is known as monomial, two term is called binomial and three terms is called a trinomial. An expression with one or more term is called a polynomial. Here examples are given. 2x is a monomial. 2x plus 3y is a binomial because it has two terms, and 2x plus 3y plus 4z is a trinomial. Three terms are there. All the above expressions are polynomials. Coefficient of a term. A term of an algebraic expression is the product of factors. Here each factor or product of factors is called the coefficient of the remaining product of factors. See this example, in the term 5xy, 5 is the coefficient of the remaining factor product xy. Similarly, x is the coefficient of 5y and 5x is the coefficient of y. The constant phi is called the numerical coefficient and others are called simply coefficients. See this example, minus 6ab. Here minus 6ab is the product of minus 6a and b. See the coefficient of a is what here? Minus 6b. The coefficient of b is minus 6a and the coefficient of ab is minus 6. Then what is the numerical coefficient here? Minus 6 is the numerical coefficient. Students, next we are going to see about like terms and unlike terms. The terms having the same algebraic factors are called like terms. Terms with different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. See this example here. For like terms 5 examples are there. Unlike terms 5 examples are there. See the first example in like terms 2x and minus 7x. Here same variable x is there, that's what these two terms are like terms. See unlike terms, first example 2x and minus 7y. Here x and y are the different variables. So these two terms are unlike terms. Exercise 3.1. Fill in the blanks. See the first question. The variable in the expression 16x minus 7 is dash. Variable means alphabets. So the answer is what here? X. Second question. The constant term of the expression 2x minus 6 is dash. See, constant is minus 6. Third question, in the expression 25m plus 14n, the type of the terms are dash terms. Here variables are m and n, therefore unlike terms. Fourth one, the number of terms in the expression 3ab plus 4c minus 9 is dash. Totally how much terms are here? 3 terms are there. So the answer is 3. Then the fifth one, the numerical coefficient of the term minus xy is dash. Here minus xy we can write minus 1 into xy. So the numerical coefficient is what here? Minus 1. Now see the solution for the fill-ups. First question x, second one minus 6, third one unlike terms, fourth one 3 terms, and the fifth one is minus 1. Listen, question number 2, say true or false. First question, x plus minus x equal to 0. This statement is true because 3 plus minus 3 is 0. Same concept is for the first one. Second question, the coefficient of AB in the term 15 ABC is 15 is given. Coefficient of AB, so except AB we have to write the remaining. So what is the answer? 15C. Second statement is false statement. Third one, 2PQ and minus 7QP are like terms. See, what is the variables in the first term? PQ. The second one also PQ, but PQ are interchanged. That no problem. Here third one is a like term. Next, fourth question, when y equal to minus 1, the value of the expression 2y minus 1 is 3. See, in this expression 2y minus 1, in the place of y, we have to substitute the value minus 1. See this, 2y minus 1 equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 1. We get the answer minus 3. So that is the wrong statement. So the answer for the first one is true, second one false, third one true, fourth one false. Question number 3. Find the numerical coefficient of each of the following terms. See the first one, numerical coefficient of minus 3yx. Minus 3 is the number, so the answer is minus 3. Same like that, 12k numerical coefficient is 12. Y numerical coefficient is y because 1 into y equal to y. Fourth one, numerical coefficient of 121 BC, that is 121. Numerical coefficient of minus x is minus 1. Numerical coefficient of 9 PQ is 9. Numerical coefficient of 2AB is 2. Question number 4. Write the variables, constants and terms of the following expressions. 4 questions are there. From that we have to write variables separately, constants separately, and how much terms in each expression. See the first expression, 18 plus x minus y. Here x and y are the variables, constant 18, and totally 3 terms are there, 18, x and minus y. Second question, 7p minus 4q plus 5. P and q are the variables, 5 is the constant, and 7p minus 4q, 5 are the terms. Third question, 29x plus 13y. X and y are the variables. Then there is no constant term, so 0. Then 2 terms are there, 29x and 13y. Fourth one, b plus q. Here b is the variable, 2 is the constant. 2 terms are there, b and 2. Question number 5. Identify like terms among the following. 7x, 5y, minus 8x, 12y, 6z, z, minus 12x, minus 9y, 11z. From that we have to take the like terms separately. Listen, like terms, first x term separately we can write 7x minus 8x minus 12x. These 3 are one set of like terms. Y terms, 5y, 12y, minus 9y. These are the another set of like terms. Then the third one 6z, z, 11z. These are one set of like terms. Listen, question number 6 students. If x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then find the value of the following expressions. 4 expressions are given. We have to find the value. For that, substitute the value of x 2 and value of y equal to 3 and find out the answers. Listen the solution. See the first question, 2x minus 3y. In the place of x, we have to substitute the value 2 and the place of y have to substitute the value 3. So, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3. 2 2s are what? 4 minus 3 3s are 9. Here 4 minus 9. You have to subtract the numbers and write greater number sign. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Greater number is in negative. So, the answer is minus 5. Second question, x plus y. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. Sum of that two numbers equal to 5. Answer for the third question, 4y minus x. Here y equal to 3. So, 4 into 3 minus 2. 4 into 3 equal to 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is what? 10. Fourth question, x plus 1 minus y. X equal to 2 plus 1 minus 3 because y equal to 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So, answer for the fourth question is 0. Next, objective type questions. Listen, question number 7. An algebraic statement which is equivalent to the verbal statement 3 times the sum of x and y. Answer for this question is 3 into x plus y because sum of x plus y, then multiply that by 3 times. So, the answer is 3 into x plus y. Next question, the numerical coefficient of minus 7mn is dash. Numerical coefficient means number. Here minus 7 is the number. So, the answer is minus 7. Question number 3. Choose the pair of like terms. Like terms means the variable should be same. See, the fourth option is the correct one because that answer is minus 4x and 7x. X is the variable. Last question, the value of 7a minus 4b where a equal to 3, b equal to 2. In the place of a, substitute 3 and the place of b, substitute the value 2. We get the answer 13. So, the correct option is the second option 13. Today's homework, example 3.3 and example 3.4. Students, hope you all understood what I explained today. Thank you. Take care.